Junkfoodtaster.com. And here we go, my friends. It's time for the kernel. It's time for Kentucky Fried Chicken. And I've got new products here today. I've got the cheese bites, then something called chicken parts. Let's see what this is all about. And a burger. The so-called Kentucky barbecue burger. Hey, here like the outside packagings. Let's see. Okay, these are the cheese bites. I ate one right away. Now, this is special camembert. Now we got the burger. There are different options. Original, single, double, and special. I was taking the original. And then now I'm very excited. What are chicken parts? Here we go. Okay. So I put this all onto here. So doesn't this look delicious? And they're cool. They have given me, I ordered 3 chicken parts and they've given me 3 different ones. Really nice from them. Now I cut the burger. I always cut stuff. Here we go. Original Kentucky. Same. Let's eat this. I'll show you prices in a second. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately there's not much variety of KFC burgers. This is now like a barbecue sauce one. This is a tasty burger. Okay. Okay. Which part is the best one? Wow. So, in German, this is a Flügel, this is a Keule, this must be the breast. Okay. Aha, nice Gürkchen. Before we do the chicken parts, I'll show you the bill. Alrighty, so the chicken parts are $8.49, then the cheese bites $5.49, insane price. The burger $7.49. Yeah. Yeah, it will get worse because this is awesome. This is like a super chicken wing, isn't it? Oh, it will get worse because the value-added tax in Germany is now 7%, and it will go up to 19%. So. Wow, this is like super fatty. In Germany there's like something called the broiler. It's like a food truck for grilled chicken. This is definitely like this, but like super fatty. And obviously coated. This is a mental product. So can I eat this here? This is basically the chicken feet now. Yeah, here. You cannot eat this. This is crazy. Okay. The first time I do this long, but first time chicken part. Let me know. This is like literally translated from German. Let me know what this is called in America. Now this must be the breast. Well, this is coated broiler. Awesome. It's really cool. I got 3 different pieces. Got a bone. Yeah, so I think I will finish this properly a little bit off air. And then you show you the bones. What is this? It's a little chicken breast, isn't it? But why is it so small? Oh, some ASMR now. The cheese is kind of cool. It's not exactly camembert. There's some other vibes as well. Mixture between mozzarella and camembert or something like this. Ja, one of the best Kentucky Fried Chicken sessions ever. No. The burger has this mayonnaise and the sliced cheese. A lot of nice flavors. So, I eat out and show you the bones. Alrighty, so here we go. I stripped it down to the bone. Well, there are many different bones. Here's a small one. Here's the biggest one I found. Yeah, still some stuff attached. Then there are very thin ones here. So this must be part of the leg. So this gets an anatomy lesson, doesn't it? Yeah, this comes. I just think about whether I read gourmet because it's a little bit disgusting. Here, this seems to be a very small bone. This is part of the leg or something. Can I get it out? Yeah, I think there's all the parts of the junction and stuff. I'll try to get here. Super thin bone. Yeah, it costs you over €8, but you get a free biology lesson. Yeah, I think this is part of the shoulder. Yes, this is an interesting bone. So, if you know the Latin names of any of these bones, write them down in the comments. Okay, yeah, kind of cool. Yeah, I did this funny image, by the way. I did this because last time I did analyze the chicken wings. I could do the same here. I could analyze different parts, bone, coating, and it's would be a ridiculous episode. Bone coating and meat. Disassembly. Okay, yeah. Let's log the results and then we are good to go. Alrighty, so here we go. Yeah, and I have to tell you, I loved all 3 products. Yeah. See, KFC chicken pieces. Then, here we go. Cheese bites. Yeah, awesome flavor. And the so-called Kentucky barbecue. So, there you have it. And thanks for watching, my beautiful friends. See you on Saturday.